Hello boys and girls, just a short video. I've got a Sonicwall. It is a 3500. I was curious about what's in it, because obviously it's running whatever Sonicwall puts on it, presumably some kind of Linux, whatever. Surprisingly, it comes with box standard memory, something that looks like a PCI slot, some flash storage, which is 512 megabytes I believe, some kind of header, not sure what that is. Comes with a box standard 1U power supply, ATX with 4-pin for CPU, obviously not connected, so it's a relatively standard power supply. Got some fan headers for some additional fans for a nice shroud. It did come with 512 megabytes. It doesn't actually say what speed it is or anything, unfortunately. So I've gone through my box of memory, and I believe, well, it's you can see that. I think it's like 3400U or something like that. Hope you can see that. You can probably see better than I can. It's basically upgraded. It's 4 gigs of RAM. I personally think on the it doesn't have a display port or anything, so I think if I install pfSense onto the flash card, I know you can get a PC USB converter for these, so you can write what you want on. I could put a pfSense on it, possibly Ubuntu server with SSH enabled, something like that, and it's got USB ports, so you could have some storage, or you could possibly use the AGP slot, maybe. Debatable. I reckon you could get some storage in this bad boy. Relatively easy, either run off USB or whatever, and it'd make a nice little home lab server. Little 1U. It's got nice nice case, lid, whatever. Yeah, so that's a little update. Incidentally, these on eBay, they're going for under £20 at the minute. Possibly they might go up once the video goes live, because people realise you can actually do something interesting with these. The CPU, I'm not 100% sure what CPU's in it. I'm not taking the heatsink off. It's probably a dual core, maybe AMD, normally is with Sonicwalls. But like I said, I reckon if I now upgrade the RAM to make it a bit more friendly, install something a bit more sensible on the flash card here, it would make a very nice, sexy 1U server. That's basically it. Have fun. Hope this helps you guys out there, and if I manage to get the different OS running on this machine, I'll update accordingly. Thank you very much. See you later.